I believe that this nation should commit itself to achieving the goal, before this decade is out, of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the earth. No single space project in this period will be more impressive to mankind or more important for the long-range exploration of space, and none will be so difficult or expensive to accomplish.
On March 25, 1961, President John F. Kennedy made a declaration that within the decade, an American would walk on the moon and be brought back safely to planet Earth. At the time, this seemed far-fetched, but on July 21, 1969, at 2:56 a.m., Neil Armstrong took the very first steps on the moon. This feat would pave the way for further exploration of the cosmos.
Sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. All engine run. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.